Hello student, now in first two videos on this lesson, on this essay on saying please, we see two different pictures. The first picture is about a lift man who threw a passenger out of lift for that passenger's disgust. Now, second picture we see about a bus conductor who behave properly with writer, though writer hadn't money when he was traveling in a bus for a ticket. After all, that conductor gave ticket to the writer instead of shouting on him or gets him down. Now, we see today, a few days after, my most sensitive toe was trampled on rather heavily. As I sat reading on the top of a bus, I looked with some anger, and yes, you know that a good incident was happened in the bus with the writer. That conductor behaved very properly with writer, mannerly with the writer. After few days, when writer was traveling in the bus, his most sensitive toe was trampled. Trample means crush under feet. Yes, his most sensitive toe came under the feet of someone. Sensitive toe was trampled on rather heavily as I sat reading on the top of a bus. When writer was sat on the top of a bus and he was reading, that time his sensitive toe was trampled. I look up with some anger and more agony and saw my friend of the cheerful countenance. Sorry, sir. Yes, and when our toe was trampled, how do we behave with that person? Writer was saying towards that person very angrily, but when writer saw that person was no other than that bus conductors who behave very mannerfully with the writer, writer's anger was vanished. I saw my friend of the cheerful countenance म्हणजे face. Sorry sir, he said, I know these are heavy boots. Yes, and he, listen here, how that bus conductor again behave properly with the writer, though writer's sensitive toe was trampled. And after that, how that bus conductor said to him, because yes, bus conductors, due to that bus conductors, his toe was trampled. Yes, I know these are heavy boots, got them because my own feet get trod on so much. Yes, that bus conductor gave the explanation. Yes, I know these are heavy boots. तो म्हणतो की यस मला माहित आहे की माझे बूट्स कसे आहे, हेवी बूट्स आहे आणि हे बूट्स काय तुमच्या पायावर पडले. यस, I know these are heavy boots, got them because my own feet get trod and so much. And now I am treading means walking on other people's. Hope I didn't hurt you sir. म्हणलं की यस, हे माझ्यामुळे काय तुमचा पाय दुखावला गेलाय. यस, बट आय होप आय डिडंट हर्ट यू सर. मला असं वाटते की तुमचे पाय जास्त दुखला नसेल. यस, he had hurt me but he was he was so nice about it that I assured him he hadn't. Actually, that bus conductor had hurt the writer by trampling on his most sensitive toe. But he behaved so nicely with the writer. And due to that, writer assured him he hadn't any pain. त्याच्यामुळे रायटरने त्याला सांगितलं, no, there is nothing happened with my toe. After this, I began to observe him whenever I boarded his bus and found a curious pleasure in the constant good nature of his bearing. He seemed yes, and the writer said that yes, after that incident, I always saw that person always helping to the passengers. After this, I began observe him on whenever writer boarded into the bus. Yes, he observed that good nature bus conductor always behave mannerfully with his passengers. He seemed to have an inhospitable fund of patience and gift for making. Yes, the writer inhospitable means unlimited. Writer saw that yes, that bus conductor has a inhospitable, unlimited fund of patience. He had so much of patience and a gift for making his passengers comfortable. Yes, that bus conductor has a unlimited patience and gift for making, and he get the gift for making his passengers comfortable. I noticed that yes, and we will also try to become such that bus conductor. Yes, if we have patience, yes, everything is going smoothly. I noticed that if it was raining, yes, writer always noticed that yes, if it was raining, he would run up to the stairs. Writer नेहमी बघायचे की yes, if there was a raining, he would run up to the stairs. तो कंडक्टर त्या पायऱ्याजवळ स्टेअर्स जवळ जायचा to give someone the tip that there was a room inside with old people. Yes, लोकांना सांगायचं की ओ म्हणजे he always, that bus conductor always helped to the passengers. With the old people, he was considered as a son. Yes, listen, he always behave with each and every passengers properly. Yes, he with old people, he was as considerate as a son. तो म्हाताऱ्या लोकांसोबत एखाद्या मुलांसारखा वागायचा. विथ ए चिल्ड्रन ॲज ए सॉलिसिटर्स ॲज ए फादर. छोट्या मुलांसोबत तो ॲज ए एखाद्या वडिलासोबत केअरिंग और कन्सर्न करणाऱ्या एखाद्या वडिलासारखा वागायचा. सॉलिसिटर्स मीन्स केअरिंग और द कन्सर्न. ही हॅड इव्हिडेंटली ए पेक्युलिअरली वार्म प्लेस इन हिज हर्ट फॉर यंग पीपल. यस, जे तरुण मुलं असायचे येस त्यांच्यासाठी सुद्धा यांच्या बस कंडक्टरच्या मनात चांगलं प्रेम होतं. आणि ही ऑल्सो बिहेव विथ देम smartly and always indulge in some merry jest. Yes, he always indulge with young people with merry jokes, merry jest with them. If he had a blind man on board, it was not enough to set him down safely on a pavement. Yes, if there was a blind man, yes, he helped to that blind person to set him down safely on the pavement. फुटपाथवर व्यवस्थित त्याला पोहोचून तो देत होता. He would call to Bill in front while he took him across the road or round the corner or otherwise safely on his way. In short, I found that he irradiated such an atmosphere of good temper and kindliness that a journey with him was a lesson in natural courtesy and good manners. Yes, irradiated म्हणजे spread over the produce. Writer said that I found that he produced a good atmosphere in the bus. And due to that good atmosphere in the bus, yes, a journey in that bus was a lesson in natural courtesy and good manners. Means writer said that yes, that bus conductor produced a good atmosphere in the bus due to his good temper and kindliness. And due to that, a journey with that bus conductors of other passengers was a lesson in natural courtesy and good manners. आणि त्याच्यामुळे पण लोकांना बस कंडक्टरच्या इतक्या चांगल्या स्वभावामुळे त्याच्यासोबत बसमध्ये प्रवास करताना प्रवासाचं अंतर कमी झाल्यासारखं लोकांना वाटायचं त्याच्या चांगल्या बिहेवियरमुळे. What struck me particularly was the ease with which he got through his work. If bad manners are infectious, yes, writer said that if bad manners are infectious, so also are good manners. Yes, yesterday we saw some bad manners. We saw the examples of that persons, that is Sir Antony Absolute. We saw the example of that passengers, and due to their bad manners, others are infectious. So the writer said that if bad manners are infectious, so also are the good manners. आणि लेखक म्हणतो ज्या प्रकारे बॅड मॅनर्स इन्फेक्शियस आहे, जर एखादी जण आमच्यासोबत बेकार वागला असेल, वी ऑल्सो बिहाव सेम with others, means bad manners are infectious, but the writer said that good manners are also infectious. मात्र चांगलं वागणं सुद्धा इन्फेक्शियस आहे. जर आमच्यासोबत कोणी चांगलं वागलं असेल, वी ऑल्सो बिहाव विथ प्रॉपरली विथ द अदर्स. If we encounter civility, most of us are apt to become uncivil, but it is an unusually uncouth person who can be disagreeable with sunny people. Yes, it is with manners as with the weather. Nothing clears up my spirit like a fine day. Yes, the writer said that it is with the manners as with the weather. Manners आमच्या एखाद्या वेदर सारखे आहे. Yes, nothing clears up my spirit like a fine day. Said yes, the kid said nothing clears up my spirit like a fine day. Said kids, and a cheerful person descends on even the gloomiest of us with something of the benediction of a fine day. Benediction म्हणजे blessing. Yes, kids always said की nothing clears up my spirit like a fine day. म्हणजे writer kids always says that yes, when I behave properly, it is like a fine day. And a cheerful person descends on even the gloomiest of us. And if we behave properly, yes, properly, cheerfully, and due to that, a gloomiest person also become the yes, that is the benediction to the gloomiest person. जर आम्ही जर प्रॉपरली चेअरफुली बिहेव करत असेल कोणासोबत, तर एखादी खूप नाराज व्यक्ती सुद्धा काय हॅपी होऊन जातो, लाईक ए फाईन डे. And so it was always fine weather on the polite conductor's bus. आणि तशाच प्रकारचा त्या polite conductorच्या बस मध्ये सुद्धा होतो. Suppose some person were in the gloomy, but due to that bus conductor's good behavior, cheerful manners, that persons forget their problems and always become happy. And his own, yes, and so it was always fine weather on the polite conductor's bus, and his own civility, his conciliatory address, and good humor bearing. Yes, the poet says that yes, his good behavior, his civility, his good behavior, his conciliatory address, and good humor bearings infected his passengers. म्हणजे त्या बसमध्ये त्या बस कंडक्टरचं जे सिव्हिलिटी होती, सभ्यता होती, हिज कॉन्सिलेटरी होती, म्हणजे ट्राइंग टू विन द फ्रेंडली फिलिंग्स, त्याचं गुड ह्युमर बिअरिंग्स होतं, ते सुद्धा काय इन्फेक्टेड झालं होत होतं त्याच्या पॅसेंजरवर. म्हणजे रायटर सेज दॅट की लाईक द बॅड बिहेवियर, मॅनर्स आर इन्फेक्शियस. Same way, the good manners are infectious. The good manners of that conductor infected to the others, and others or his passengers become also the behave properly with others. I have missed him from my bus route of late, but I hope that only means that he has carried his sunshine onto another road. It cannot be too widely diffused in a rather drab world. Writer said that after some days, yes, I have missed him on my bus route, but I hope yes, he would sunshine his good behavior on the another road. जरी त्या मार्गावरून नंतर नंतर तो कंडक्टर त्या मार्गावर येत नव्हता सेट बाय द रायटर, पण मात्र रायटर सेट की यस होऊ शकते दुसऱ्या मार्गावर तो त्याची ड्युटी लागली असेल आणि त्यामुळे तो तिथल्या लोकांना हॅपी करत असेल. इट कॅन नॉट बी टू वाइडली डिफ्यूज टू इन ए ड्रॅब वर्ल्ड. ड्रॅब मीन्स डल. It cannot be too widely diffused in a rather drab world, and I make no apologies for writing a panegyric. Panegyric म्हणजे a speech or the piece of writing to praise someone's years. Writer said that this world is a dull world, and in such dull world, if we get such fellows like conductor, those are always cheerful, and due to his cheerful manners, other people also become the cheerful. It is good in this dull world, and so and I make no apologies for writing a panegyric on an unknown bus conductor. And writer said that yes, I make no apologies for writing a panegyric on an unknown bus conductor. If Wordsworth could gather, and लेखक म्हणतो की यस जर मी त्याच्यावर एखादी लेसन लिहिला, एखादी त्याच्या रायटिंग स्पीच लिहिली, तर इट इज नॉट अपॉलॉजीज फॉर मी, बिकॉज Wordsworth could gather lessons of wisdom from the poor leech gatherer on the lonely moor. लेखक म्हणतो की वर्ड्सवर्थला विजडमचा लेसन कोणापासून शिकायला मिळालं, विजडम कोणापासून शिकायला मिळालं, द पुअर लीज गॅदरर. सो रायटर ऑल्सो गेट द lesson of good behavior from that bus conductor. I see no reason why lesser people should not take lessons in conduct from one who shows how a very modest calling may be dignified by good temper and kindly feelings. Yes, writer said that yes, from lower peoples we also get so many good things. लेखक म्हणतो की जे लोअर पीपल असतात ना त्याच्यापासून सुद्धा आम्हाला खूप चांगल्या गोष्टी काय शिकायला मिळत असतात. लाईक द वर्ड्सवर्थ गेट द लेसन फ्रॉम पुअर लीच गॅदरर. इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ जनरल अग्रीमेंट दॅट द वॉर हॅज हॅड चिलिंग इफेक्ट अपॉन दोज लिटिल एव्हरीडे सिव्हिलिटीज ऑफ बिहेवियर दॅट स्वीटन द जनरल. यस, रायटर सेज दॅट इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ जनरल अग्रीमेंट. सगळं मान्य करेल, सगळे लोक मान्य करेल, कोणती गोष्ट मान्य करेल, दॅट द वॉर हॅज हॅड अ चिलिंग इफेक्ट अपॉन दोज लिटिल एव्हरी इयर्स. ड्यू टू द वॉर देर वॉज ए वॉर. युद्धाचा काय तर आम्ही नेहमीच भांडत असो तर आमच्या सिव्हिलिटीवर, सभ्यतेवर काय इफेक्ट होत असतो. बिहेवियर दॅट स्वीटन द जनरल एअर. We must get those civilities back if we are make life kindly and tolerable for each other. म्हणजे if we quarrel with other peoples daily, due to that atmosphere become pollute. Atmosphere become the polluted. But with our kindly behavior, tolerable behavior for each other, we change that atmosphere. We change that polluted atmosphere. We cannot get them back by invoking the law. आणि हे आम्ही लॉच्या माध्यमातून, कायद्याच्या माध्यमातून, कायद्याने हे आम्ही आणू शकत नाही. चांगला बिहेवियर समाजामध्ये कायद्याने दुरुस्त होऊ शकत नाही. द पोलिसमॅन इज अ नेसेसरी सिम्बॉल अँड द लॉ इज अ नेसेसरी इन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर अ सोसायटी दॅट इज स्टील सम दॅट लोअर दॅन द एंजल्स. येस, ओके. द पोलिसमॅन इज अ नेसेसरी सिम्बॉल अँड लॉ इज अ नेसेसरी इन्स्टिट्यूशन. पोलिसमॅन आणि हे लॉ आहे सोसायटीमध्ये कायद्याचं राज्य आणण्यासाठी. बट our behavior is most essential. Our good behavior is most essential to create a good social life throughout the world. And the law is necessary institution for a society that is still somewhat lower than the angels. But the law cannot, yes, these peoples, law as well as the police peoples are working as angels. But the law can only protect us against material attack. परंतु लॉ आम्हाला कशापासून संरक्षित करते? Yes, these police or the law are doing good job. in the society, but they protect us from the against the material attack. आम्हाला कोणाला शारीरिक अटॅक केला असेल, फिजिकली अटॅक केला असेल, आमच्या हमला केला असेल, त्याच्यापासून आम्हाला प्रोटेक्शन करते. नॉर विल द लिपमॅन्स वे ऑफ मीटिंग moral affront. Moral affront means self-respect. Meeting moral affront by physical violence help us to restore the civilities. Writer says that ki okay, law protect us against the material attack. Nor will the liepman's way of the meeting moral affront by physical violence help us to restore the civilities. किंवा त्या लिपमॅनने फिजिकल अटॅक केला होता. He threw passenger out of the lift. That is not also due to that also the civility isn't returned back. त्याच्यामुळे सुद्धा सभ्यता येत नाही एखाद्यावर अटॅक केल्याने. I suggest to him that he would have had a more subtle and effective revenge. लेखक म्हणतो की त्या लिपमॅन साठी सगळ्यात योग्य रिवेंज म्हणजे बदला कोणता झाला असता, बिकॉज दॅट पॅसेंजर डिडंट सेट ऑफ प्लीज. आणि त्यांनी त्या लिपमॅननी त्याला फेकून दिलं. पण त्याच्यासाठी त्याला फेकून दिल्याने काही समाजामध्ये कर्सी निर्माण झाली का? नो. तर मग त्याच्यासाठी सगळ्यात चांगला बदला कोणता, रिवेंज कोणता राहिलं असतं त्या लिपमॅनसाठी? येस, आय सजेस्ट टू हिम दॅट ही वुड हॅव हॅड ए मोर subtle and effective revenge if he had treated the gentleman who would not say please with elaborate politeness. Yes, लेखक म्हणतो की त्या लिपमॅननी instead of threw that passengers out of the lift, if he behaved politely with that passengers, जर त्याला फेकून द्यायच्या जागेवर त्यासोबत पोलाइटली जर बिहेव केलं असेल, that is the true revenge for him. That was the true revenge for that liepman. Liepman साठी तो खरा बदला राहिला असता. Like you should take an example of महात्मा गांधीजी. महात्मा गांधीजी एका गालावर मला मारली तर यस उठ सध्या गाल समोर करायचं. त्याच्यामुळे त्याच्या लोकांमध्ये काहीतरी त्यांच्या भावना जागृत व्हायच्या. And so the Mahatma Gandhi throughout his freedom struggle used the ways of satyagraha, ahimsa. He would have had the victory not only over the boor but over himself, and that is the victory that counts. आणि लेखक म्हणतो जर तो लिपमॅन पोलाइट त्याला फेकून देण्याच्या जागेवर पोलाइटली त्या व्यक्तीसोबत वागला असता तर काय झालं असतं? यस, ही वुड हॅव हॅड द विक्ट्री. त्याचा विजय झाला असता. नॉट ओनली ओव्हर द बुर मीन्स रूड सेन्सिटिव्ह पर्सन. त्या व्यक्तीवर त्या पॅसेंजरवर त्याचा विजय मिळवण्यासारखं विक्ट्री मिळवण्यासारखं झालं नसतं तर कसं झालं असतं? बट ओव्हर हिमसेल्फ त्यानं स्वतःवर सुद्धा. यस, बघा, सपोज समवन नॉट बिहेव विथ अस प्रॉपरली, आफ्टर ऑल we behave politely with that person in such conditions, it is our victory. Not only that ill manner fellow but on ourselves. म्हणजे त्या ill manner followers आपला विजय नाहीतर काय आपला स्वतःवर सुद्धा आपला विजय की we are in control but over himself, and that is the victory that counts, and that is the important according to the writer. The polite man may lose the material advantages, but he always has the spiritual victory. Yes, it's okay. Polite man may lose the material advantages. त्याला material advantages मिळणार नाही, भौतिक फायदा मिळणार नाही, मात्र there had the spiritual victory. पण त्याला काय एक असं spiritual victory मिळेल. I command to the liepman a story of Chesterfield. Yes, I commend to the liepman a story of Chesterfield. Now writer give the example of the Chesterfield. Lord Chesterfield, English statesman, author and patron of letters. एक इंग्लिश स्टेट्समॅन होता, त्याचं एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे. In his time, the London streets were without the pavements. When Chesterfield was in England, that time the London streets were without the pavements of today. आजच्या सारखे पेवमेंट्स नव्हते, फुटपाथ नव्हते लंडनच्या रस्त्यावर. And the man who took the wall had the dress putting. Yes. And the man who took the wall had the dress putting. I never give the wall to a scoundrels. Yes. आणि ते एक त्या रस्त्याच्या बाजूला वॉल्स असायचे. And one day one person said to the Chesterfield, I never give the wall to a scoundrel. त्यांनी सांगितलं की yes, I persons like you are the scoundrels, and persons like you, I never give the wall. Said a man who meets Chesterfields one day in the streets. I always do. मात्र चेस्टरफील्डने त्याला रागावलं नाही. चेस्टरफील्डने त्या माणसाला कणफडत नाही मारली, त्याला फेकून नाही दिलं किंवा त्याला स्कॉन्ड्रल म्हटलं त्यावेळेस. तर त्यांनी का केलं? यस, त्यांनी म्हटलं की यस, आय ऑलवेज डू, मीन्स मी मात्र देतो. मीन्स चेस्टरफील्ड बिहेव पोलाइटली विथ दॅट मॅन who said scoundrel to him. Stepping with a bow into the road, I hope the leapman will agree that his revenge was much more sweet than if he had flung the fellow into the mud. Yes. आणि लेखक म्हणतो की यस, की मला असं वाटते की I hope the leapman will agree that his revenge was much more sweet than if he had flung the fellow into the mud. म्हणजे instead of throwing that passenger out of the lift, if the liftman behave politely with him like a Chesterfield त्या व्यक्तीसोबत ज्या प्रकारे पोलाइटली वागला त्याच प्रकारे जर लिफ्टमॅन त्या पॅसेंजर सोबत पोलाइटली जर वागला असता तर लेखक म्हणतो की आय थिंक दॅट वॉज द रियल रिवेंज. ओके, नाउ थ्रूआउट द लेसन, throughout the essay, writer tried to says us, if we want to create good things in the society, courtesy, good manners, politeness, it is essential we behave such a way. Thank you. Students, in this way, our essay on saying please come to end. You will see there are some activities are given in brainstorming part. You will try to find out their answers. If you have any problems, you will ask me. There are few activities are given. Okay, thank you.